Shidim Shari. Shidim Shari. Good morning. Wednesday, May 8th, 2024. All right. LYFT announced earning last night. It looked like I didn't look at the earning closely, but the market must have liked it for it to have a pre-market after hour pop. I don't have any position in here. I sold most of my Uber already, which we will discuss shortly after this. If you have it, I would say, well, look at where the market pre-market look. It's teetering around where the 50 MA is, right? So my recommendation is trim. You know the old saying, right? If it's pop at pre-market or after hour, trim, because a lot of time the stock don't get to that level during regular trading hours. Okay, so that would be the best thing to do. Now, if it can break out of that, then I think 1920 is the range that you should get out. Okay, from what I can see, it's still losing money. So it lost 8 cents compared to estimate of 16 cents. Previous quarter, it lost 7 cents instead of 19 cents. So that was a nice pop, as you can see, last quarter, and then it retraced. Okay, so you're gonna see a pop not as big, but a retrace likely will happen again. All right, let's take a look at Uber. I have sold my Uber, most of my Uber, but look like it's getting some lift here, and that's a good thing. Now, would I trim? Well, we'll see. Uber is reporting, I believe, today or tonight. Okay, earning. So that could be another move, but I think 75 and above could be the pop for sure. 75, trim. Okay, trim. I still have some in some account. I'm out of my main account. I didn't have much. Okay, it's one of those situations where I didn't have much, and once it make this move here at 71-ish, I said time for me to go. I thought about buying it back yesterday, but I did not. My loss. But if you have it, look to trim 75. Can it get back into that? It's possible. Okay, depend on the earning. It's Uber, right? This sell-off was kind of silly on robo-taxi. Hey, if you bought the dip because of robo-taxi, congratulations. But anything from 75 to 82, take it. SBUX, oh boy. All right, so on earning day, I thought 76 is the spot, right? And let me show you why I think it was the spot. I think I showed this before, but let's do this again. Let's do the weekly and go back. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is a 20-year trend. Only the COVID dip was where it violate. Okay, so now it violate again. Okay, so does it mean that it's going to be something serious? It's possible. Now, if you are, gloom and doom, end of the earth kind of person, what do you see on the chart? Can you see a pattern on the chart here that spell trouble? And why I thought 76 is key to hold? shoulder, head, shoulder, with the neckline roughly where that is. Okay, let's zoom in so you can see clearer. See, you can give or take. Okay, give or take. See, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? And if you follow the head and shoulder pattern, then the ultimate downfall can be somewhere down here, which is insane. Okay. I'm not predicting that. I'm just pointing out that why this point here is going to be a good spot to defend. And if you have a long-term horizon beyond 6 months, yes, I'm saying 6 months because if we are heading into a recession 6 months from now, things will get worse, right? There is no rush. This is not the first inning to get into Starbucks to build a position. This is not. This is warm up. Okay, this is warm up time. For those that follow my Pfizer call, the warm up call can take 6 months. But I do think this is the area that likely can go sideways for a while. Can it go lower? Yes. Okay. Yes. Look, can it get down to 69? Yes. Now that it failed the whole here, I think if the overall market has any kind of weakness, right? If it's not the question of if, when the market have major correction, 5% down from here because of a recession, bad data, weaker consumer spending, you name it. Every time you're going to see econ data in the next 3 months that show you weakening consumer before the next quarterly earning, Starbucks will come down, right? So I would say if you want to buy Starbucks, sell puts 69 or lower. If you want to play it safe, do 68, like puts 3 months out, right? Because it's gonna get there if we have weaker consumer data for the next 3 months. Because if we have weaker consumer data for the next 3 months, what makes you think Starbucks number next quarter is going to be good? What will they do? Raise prices? You think Starbucks is going to be that stupid to raise prices in the next few weeks to cover the declining in sales? I'm not saying they can't do it, but it would be colossally stupid if there's such a word as colossally colossal mistake to do something that stupid. But for now, my recommendation, if you want to be in Starbucks, is sell a 3 months put 68 and below. Okay, and I think the premium is decent. All right, to close out this stream, let's take a look at Starbucks' main competitor in China. Okay, so once again, I make decent gain the last time I was in Looking Coffee. I start to buy here, okay, and I was mildly concerned about falling out of the channel, right? So I traded a couple times, and right now I'm back in for the first time since this pop here. Back here now, yes, it is out of the channel, but I'm not all that worried about. Normally, when something is out of the channel, I'm super worried. Normally, but the reason why I'm not as worried on Looking, let me go back as far as I can. I don't draw this in, but this is a major area of support. Okay, major. Okay, I can do maybe draw it in. you can even call this a shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. So if it's fail, well, guess what? If this broke for whatever reason, you think it's going to be a random spot where it end up? Where can look and go? Just to illustrate you the magic of TA. Right there. Look, isn't it magic? Just like magic. Right there. Great, 95 cents. Yes, that's how crazy it can be. Okay, I just do it to show, okay, to show the pattern here. Not that I think it's gonna happen, all right? Just like in Starbucks, it will be crazy. I like to show these kind of examples to show you, yes, TA is useful, but sometimes it's kind of crazy. If you follow every single pattern, that's why you can't take a look at every single pattern and say, that's it, that pattern is in. This is a time to, take a trade that as if that pattern is going to be 100% it's going to happen. It's sometimes it's too crazy to even fathom something like that. But okay, let's get back to looking. I like it here. I will buy more into the upper 19-ish. 19. I have right now, I have ordered in at 20 and 19.5. A lot. I bought a little bit yesterday at 20.88, but next up will be 20 and then 19.5 for a whole lot. Okay, so for me, it's a speculative play. The good thing about looking is it doesn't have exposure in the US, and China economy has been in the tank for quite some time, right? So it's more likely to rebound than get worse. It might not get better much, but it's not gonna, it might go sideways. But they do take business away from Starbucks. And earning, as you can see, they're still losing money. Okay, so it's a speculative play. Play small, people. Okay, play small. Good luck on Uber. I expect good things from Uber.